Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today, inshallah, we are going to create a walk cycle animation for this character. Before I start, I'm going to work based on this reference image. I'm going to start working I'm going to start creating the contact in frame 125, then the 13. Then I'm going to start creating the passing, and after that, the down and the peak. First of all, I'm going to minimize the timeline to 25 frame. I need to make sure that the auto keyframe is enabled, and I'm going to start with frame 0. I'm going to move this foot to, I'm going to move it forward and this to back. And it's better to create a plane to make sure that the foot didn't go down. For this foot, going to fix it like this, and this, and the hips will be down a little. Now I need to work with the arms. The arms go on the other direction with the, for example, the right arm go to the other direction. We compare to the right leg. So I need to move it like this. And this one will be moved forward. I'm going to select all the controller and then hit on S on keyboard. And then I'm going to 25, frame 25. And then I'm going to hit on S again. And this is the first contact. And then I'm going to frame 13 to reverse. This will be moved forward. It's better to do it on the side. And then I'm going to select the other pot, move it back. and I will reverse the hands. I need to reverse this leg to back, not the other one. Then I need to reverse the arms. And then I need to select all the controller and then hit on S on keyboard. And then I need to go to frame 4 to make the down to make the down poses. I'm going to select the hips, make it more down, and the back foot, I'm going to drag it to back more. And this foot, I'm going to make sure that it's flat. I'm going to move it up a little more. And then I'm going to select all the controllers and hit on S. And here on frame 16, I'm going to make the hips down a little more. And this foot will be flat, straight. And this, I'll drag it to back more. I will rotate or rotate it. I'm going to select all the keys and hit on S. And then I need to go to frame 7 to make sure that the front leg is flat. And the back leg is up more and rotate. And then I'm going to select all the keys, hit on S on keyboard. These will be the passing frames. After I finish the pose in frame 7, I need to go to 19 and I will do the same. and this will be up more. Only up, I will not drag it. I'm going to select all the controller and hit on S on keyboard. Now I'm going to add the peak or the peak poses at frame 10 and 22. I'm going to select the hips. I will drag it up, and then I'm going to select all the keys, hit on S on keyboard. This frame will need a little fixing. And then on 22, I'm going to select the hips again and drag it up and select, and then I will select all the keys and hit on S again. Now let me try. And will be a basic work cycle. Of course, I have a low poly character, but this how to create a work cycle in a simple way by using a reference image, and this image contains the down and peak, the pass and the content. I start with the contact, not content. I start with the contact, then I add the down, and after that the passes, the passing, and finally the peak point. That's it. Thank you for watching.